This is Dan McKeown with BlockFile.com. The cryptocurrency market over the last few days has been in large-scale retreat. The price of Bitcoin has dipped well under $8,000. Just now, my File 5 index aggregate is at 1048. That represents a pretty low number. Now, it appears that a lot of the casual retail investors are still being shaken out of the market. It seems to be a wave of panic going on. Now, it really is hard to say how far things could go down. Now, cryptocurrency not being able to be bought with credit cards from a number of banks, including Bank of America and Chase, and there's a brokerage called Robinhood that's talking about adding crypto to the things that their customers can buy. So it's possible that there will be additional ways for people to get money into the crypto market, and generally it sounds like debit cards are still being accepted, but regardless, I mean, there may be some market access issues that are going on, but I think that the primary driver of this decline has been a kind of cascade of panic as technical traders saw breaches of numbers they considered floors or supports or things like that, and so then I think some of them saw sell signals in the numbers, and combining that with what that does to reinforce panic among recent entrant retail investors. There seems to be a lot of moves toward the exits going on. So it's really hard to call any kind of bottom with this. And in a way that doesn't really matter, because this is all very short-term fluctuation, as violent as it is. So the volatility is extremely high over these short periods. But the real question is what is the business use case, and what is the organic demand? Because how much of the speculative demand is being shaken off by this is questionable. But it seems like certainly a decent amount. It's understandable if people want to try to get their money out, or maybe even people that were in just a handful of months ago could still get out with a profit. So it's understandable if some of them want to take like a small profit and then walk away from this. As there's a lot of mainstream pressure being put on the sector right now. So. It's the kind of thing that some people might see it as a smart move to break even or make a little bit. So, we'll keep monitoring the numbers, and the short-term outlook. The short-term outlook, I would say, is still pretty dangerous in terms of the ability for the declines to continue. But medium term, I would be more bullish than that.